What's up, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amat. In case you're new, guys, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll be the first one to watch. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. Continue supporting me, guys. Watch my video, guys. So today I'm coming right from my village. You can see it's the cow. You can see the cow is here. You can see my grandma is in the farm. Okay. Then so guys, I want to cook sweet potatoes, guys. So this is my sweet potato. So here in the village, this sweet potatoes you can decide to peel the skin, or you can cook it the way it is. So yeah, I want to cook it just traditional. So I'm going to wash, then I'll put it in the sufuria. The good thing is, guys, this sweet potatoes you can just eat like this when it's raw, so you can just eat. Guys, so it's so healthy. Oh my god, sorry. So let's wash our sweet potatoes. So I'm going to put here water. This cow wants to drink water, but there's something. Oh, I can't remove it. It's okay. So I'm going to put here my sweet potato, guys. This sweet potato is so healthy. Yes, this is our traditional bucket. You can use it to go. You can put here maize and go to the cocoa milk. Yeah, you can keep here a lot of things, guys. So, I think I need to add some more water. So, guys, I'm washing my potatoes, sweet potatoes. I'm just going to cook it traditional, guys. But if you want to peel the skin, is just okay. You can cook it. Wow. Come. This cat is so cute. Wow, I like it, guys. So guys, here in the village today is so hot. I think it will rain today because it's so hot. Guys, really, I've never seen cow eating potatoes. This is the first time. What? Okay. I'm so surprised, guys. Really. It's like potato. Oh. So I'm going to throw this water because then I'll take another one. Only 3 times. Oh, yeah. So Our sweet potato is clean, so I'm going to put in this sufuria. So as I'm going to arrange here, I'm going to put here salt. I'm just cooking it traditionally, guys. Maybe it's enough. Then I'm going to add here water. Maybe it's enough. Oh, what's wrong with this cow? Okay, guys, so I need to throw this food. So guys, I'm going to take banana leaf. So let's go, come with me. This cow. No, I think it's just okay. Let's go. Here you can see it's our dog, our security at night. Yeah. Let me start here. So guys, this is banana leaf. I'm going to cover it. Oh my, no. This cow. So guys, this banana leaf I'm going to cover to put it here. So this banana leaf you can you can cut and give it to cows like food. So I think it's big, so this one give it to our cow. So yeah, you see guys, yeah. So I'm going to cover my, I think it's still big. No, I need to do it like this. Really? You know, it's a long time since I cooked potatoes, so let me do like this. Yeah, I think so. Then it's supposed to be like this, guys. Yeah. Then I'm going to use this sufuria to cover it again, like this. Finally, guys. So finally, we are going to cook our potatoes. So guys, have you seen my outfit of the day? Wow, I've started to wear like this. I think when you wear like this, it shows some respect. Okay, guys. So that is it. Let's go and cook now. To lighten our fire, this is our sweet potatoes. So let me do like this. So here we are in the village. We are using what? Firewood. It's my matchbox, guys. I've forgotten to take my. Let me go and bring. So guys, our fire is ready here. So we want to cook our sweet potatoes. So let me put it here. So let's wait like for like 20 minutes, 20 minutes, then we'll check and see if it's ready or not. This is how we are cooking here our sweet potatoes in the village, guys. So being a village girl is, you need to be so hardworking. Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's wait. Okay, guys, so I want to check my potatoes if it's ready. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my knife. Wow, guys, finally it's ready. You can see. It's ready now, so let me remove it. What am I going to use? I use stones. I think it's good. Wow, so guys, my potatoes is here. Already covered. I want to put here water for the tea. So let me bring another sufuria. Okay, so guys, I'm putting here water. So I have water here. I want to make strong tea. Yeah, so we put here now. I think this water is enough. Only for 3 people is enough. And then I have my tea leaves here. Okay, so let me wait until my water is boiled. Then I'll put the tea and sugar. Okay, guys. So finally, I want to put here tea leaves. Okay, let me add it too. I think it's more. I think this one is enough. Then I'm gonna add sugar. So let's wait. Yeah. When it's ready, I'll put in. And I'm going to do the flask. Then I'll put it there. Okay, guys. So our strong tea is ready now. Yeah, I want to put in the flask. So let me see. In the village, we are doing like this. Okay. So it's not yet full, so let me add. So guys, so we want to go now. So this one is hot. Put it here. I'm going to put in this. These are our sweet potatoes now. Wow, look at it. So I'm going to give this one to the cow. So okay, so I want to let me test. Wow, so sweet. So I want to put it here. Let me give this one to my grandma. So finally, guys, we want to enjoy our breakfast. So let me give this one to my grandma. Mom. Okay. So I want to go for it from tea. This is our cat. Hey, look at this. So let me don't really take that. So finally, really okay, guys. So this if you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. What's your view on this video? What video do you want me to drop next? Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl Amal. Bye, or you can call me twin sister.